Let's start with the eyes. Super simple. Follow along. For this first one, the mouth sits just below the eyes, like this. Here, the sides, eyes and mouth all sit the same distance apart. The bottom of the ear lines up with the eyes, and so does the top, like this. We sketch it out in pencil, but the outline is where the shape really comes together. The body keeps it simple with soft curved lines. Take it slow on the little thrill. Erase anytime you need to. That's just part of it. Just one more step, and there he is.